Hello everyone. In this video we will solve a few sums on direct proportion. Here is our first sum. Following are the car parking charges near a railway station. So up to 4 hours rupees 60, up to 8 hours rupees 100, up to 12 hours rupees 140, up to 24 hours rupees 180. Check if the parking charges are in direct proportion to the parking time. So what we need to do is we need to find the ratio of each of these pairs. So we'll find out if the ratios in each of these is same. So we'll let X be parking charge and Y be the time in hours. Okay. So x1, y1, the first set of quantity, x1, y1 is 60 upon 4 and that is giving us 50. So constant k is 15 here. Now let's see x2 upon y2. x2 upon y2 is 100 upon 8 and that is equal to 12.5. So we see that the constant is not same. In this case it is 15, in this case it is 12.5. For x3 and y3, 140 divided by 12. So if you do that, 12 ones are 12, 2, 20. So 12 ones are again 12. And for x4 upon y4, so 24 sevens are 168, 12 remains, so it is 7.5, rupees 7.5. And now if you see the value of constant, which is the ratio, is not same, and hence the parking charges are not in direct proportion. Let's do the next one. A mixture of paint is prepared by mixing 1 part of red pigment with 8 parts of base. In the following table, find the parts of base that needed to be added. So if we see here, let's find the constant. So x1 upon y1 should be equal to x2 upon y2. And we know x1 upon y1 is 1 upon 8 should be equal to 4 upon y2. And therefore y2 goes that side. y2 is equal to 4 into 8, 32. So here it is going to be 32. Similarly, 1 upon 8 is equal to x2 7 upon y3, if I call this y3. And therefore y3 is equal to 8 into 7, 56. So if you see 1 sevens, so 8 sevens are 56. So 1 12, so 8 12 8s are 96. 120, so 28s are 160. In every case, what we are going to do is 1 upon 8 is equal to, then now x4 upon y4. And therefore y4 is going to be equal to, x4 here is 12. So 12 into 8. And that is 96. Same way 1 upon 8 is x5. x5 is 20. 20 upon y5. And therefore y5 is going to be 20 into 8, which is 160. Let's do the next one. In the same example, now if 1 part of red pigment requires 75 ml of base, how much red pigment should we mix with 1800 ml of base. So again we will use the proportion method. X1 upon X2 is equal to Y1 upon Y2. Now let's talk about, let's use red pigment as X1. Okay, so 1 upon X2, because we need to find the how much red pigment is required, is equal to Y1. So for 1 we require 75 ml. So 75 upon, and we need to find for 1800 ml. So Y1 is 75 and Y2 is 1800 ml. So now we'll solve using the transposition. So X2 goes this side and 1800 goes this side. So 1800 is equal to 75 X2, and therefore 75 comes this side, so it will be 1800 divided by 75 is equal to X2. So if we do this, 25 3s are 75, 25 7s are 175, and then 5050, 25 2s are 50. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 24s are 72, and therefore X2 is equal to 24. So therefore 24 parts of red pigment are required. Let's do the next one. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 cm. What is the actual length of the bacteria? If the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only, what would be its enlarged length? So here, let's call length as X, length be X, and enlargement be Y. Okay, so we know X1 upon Y1 is equal to X2 upon Y2. So first 50,000 enlargement. So Y is 50,000, attains length of 5 cm. So 5 upon 50,000 is equal to, now we want to know the actual length. Actual length is, we don't know, so we'll keep it X2. And what should be the enlargement when we want to know actual length? It should be 1 time. It should not be enlarged at all. So it should be 1 time. So that is going to give us the actual length. And therefore, now we'll do 1 this side. So 5 is equal to 50,000 multiplied by X2. And therefore, 50,000 comes this side. So 5 upon 50,000 is your X2. And 5 ones are 5, 5 10,000s are X2. And therefore, X2 is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4 centimeter. We are using our exponents knowledge. 1 upon 10 raised to 4 is 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter. So that is the actual length. Hence, actual length of bacteria 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 centimeters. So what we have done, we have used the proportion method and we have just assumed length as X, enlargement as Y. It doesn't matter, you can interchange also, doesn't matter. Let's now find the second one. Now for the second one, we will use same one. X1 upon Y1 is X3 upon Y3. Now X is length. X1 was 5 centimeters. So 5 upon 50,000 is equal to x3, we don't know the length, upon 20. We now want to enlarge 20,000. So it was 50,000 and 20,000. Now again cross multiplication or the transposition. So that gives us 5 into 20,000 upon 50,000. I'll just move this, that side is x3. So 4 zeros gone, 4 zeros gone, 5 ones are 2, and therefore x3 is equal to 2 centimeter. So now the bacteria length would be 2 centimeter if we enlarge it 20,000 times. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.